What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to clean, condition, and care for your sea bass fish boots. All right, you can tell sea bass because the scales are really small compared to the pirarucu. Check this out. That's pirarucu fish. Check out the other video on how to clean those. And this is the sea bass, which is real small little scales. You can see them. All right, it's a little different. Still fish, but different. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to clean these first. You're gonna obviously dust them off. Go with the scales, not against the scales, just to wipe them down. You kind of see the pattern on there. You'll feel it. Just wipe them down. Make sure you're going with the pattern. Like I said, sometimes the pattern's a little different on different parts of the boot. You'll figure it out. It's not gonna really hurt it, but you know, just go with them. Better than ripping them off, right? Cool. And then that's only if you have a bunch of dirt. These are brand new, but I'm just giving you an example. And then you're gonna clean the wout. You can use this toothbrush or any kind of brush you want. I sometimes use this Angelus brush, but it's up to you, whatever you use. You just brush it off. Make sure no dirt's in there, because dirt is gonna go in there. All right, cool. All right, and oh snap. So I tried this Angelus Reptile cleaner conditioner, and actually darken the skin. I normally use that one. So I tried this one. Is the only one that worked, which is the Scout Reptile and Exotic Skin Cleaner. If you have another one, please let me know in the comments below so I could try it out as well. All right, so I'm just gonna spray the boot. This is like a matte finish. It's gonna darken it up, and I'll show you after I'm done when it actually dries out to show you that it's not gonna change the color. I'm gonna spray the heck out of it. You can spray as much as you want. I like putting a good amount since I don't clean them and condition them too often. Keeps them from cracking. All right, cool. And again, it doesn't matter if you get that this cleaner conditioner on the shaft. It's not gonna affect that at all. And on the wout, it doesn't matter if you get it on there either. It's not gonna change the stitching color. In there, and you can see it kind of like a watery white base. All right, so look how dark it got. All right, then what I'm gonna do is brush it. I go with the scales. You'll see if you're going with the scales because it's gonna look like you're combing your hair. Nice and flat comb over, you could say. See, no bumps. So that's how you know you're going with the scales when you're cleaning and conditioning them. See, this part goes back. This part goes forward, so you'll know. Gotta make sure. Yeah, you could feel it with your finger going with it or against it. Let's bring it back here. Gotta make sure it's going the right way. And then all you're gonna do is wipe them down. Again, with the scales, and you can feel it with your finger you're going with or against. Cool. And that's how you wipe them down. Then what you're gonna do is, once you wipe them down, is go use back once or twice or maybe even 3 times, just to make sure that, you know, give it that nice look back. Just comb it back just maybe once or twice. See how they lift it up again? Back to that fishy look, sea bass look. Cool. See how it came up again? All right, I'm gonna let this sit and dry, and then I'll show you the final so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so I let it dry about an hour outside, and it looks really good. Here's the matching pair, so the colors match for sure. Cool, so that's how you do it. That's how you clean and condition them. Remember, use the Scout. Nothing else. Unless you have another one, please let me know, all right? See ya.